Hi everybody, are you sick and tired of traditional diets out there which say in order to lose weight you need to stop eating ice cream, chocolate, donuts, coffee, you need to eliminate gluten, you need to combine foods a certain way? Are you sick and tired of how restrictive these diets are and how frustrating it is that you have to give up your favorite foods? My name is Brad Newton and I'm the instructor/fitness coach for this course. I went to university and I studied a Bachelor of Science and I graduated after 4 years. It was a long time. And I'm proud to say right now that I'm leading over 4,500 students from 120 different countries now on how they can get into the best shape of their lives while still eating their favorite foods. And I teach these principles in this course and I teach them in other courses as well. In fact, my courses are featured on Amazon.com, YouTube, Facebook, and the list goes on. I was also out of shape. I was also over 20% body fat. I was tired. I was miserable. I was moody. I turned all of that around by figuring out that I could still eat my favorite foods and get ripped, provided that I followed the laws of science. In this course, I'm going to show you real life scenarios of athletes on Instagram that are still eating their favorite foods while getting in the best shape of their lives. I'm going to show you precisely how they do it to get into the best shape of their lives while eating their favorite foods. I'm going to go through the calculations, very basic, very simply, how you can calculate your calorie target, how you can calculate your macronutrient targets, to maximize fat loss and to maximize muscle gain while still eating your favorite foods. And after that, I'm going to show you how to use MyNet Diary using those numbers that we'll calculate and how to use a spreadsheet and then how to stick to it so that you can absolutely have amazing levels of energy and passion and vitality and also get in the best shape of your life while still eating your favorite foods. Now, if that sounds friggin' awesome to you guys, then why not take this course right now? And I'll show you exactly how to do it. And we can work one-on-one with each other if you have any further questions. So take this course right now and get this journey started today.